If Allah never allows you to think about death before you die, then know that your heart is darkened, it doesn't have that light. So they said, "O Messenger of Allah, what is the sign that Allah has opened a believer's heart for Islam? What is the sign?" He said that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala puts a noor in his heart, a noor, a light in his heart, and that light illuminates him, illuminates his actions. So then they said, what is the sign of that light? What is the sign of that light? So the Messenger of Allah said, the sign of that light is that when Allah has put that illumination in your heart, is that you become focused on Darul Khulud, on the permanent abode. That you are focused on the Darul Khulud, and your focus is lessened regarding this temporary abode, this dunya, this temporary abode. And that you prepare for death before you meet death. So what is the sign that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has put a noor in your heart? The sign that Allah has placed a noor in your heart is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allows you to focus on the akhirah, Darul Khulud. He allows you not to make this dunya your in total immersion. That you're only focused on this dunya. And He also allows you to prepare for death before you die. This is the sign that Allah has placed a noor in your heart. Brothers and sisters, if your entire day, your entire day is spent only focusing on the dunya, then Allah has not placed that noor in your heart which illuminates your heart. And then you don't fall under that verse of the Quran that whoever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants to guide, He opens his chest. If Allah never allows you to think about death before you die, then know that your heart is darkened, it doesn't have that light.